Today we're doing an unboxing video for the Fanvil PA2 Kit. The PA2 Kit is an accessories kit for the Fanvil PA2 covered off in a separate video. Let's have a look inside the box. Inside the box we'll find 4 components. The first component is the camera. The camera inputs into the PA2 to allow video to flow through. A microphone. The microphone also inputs into the PA2 to allow speech to go through. The speaker to be heard. And the key. The key is a press button that allows people to start a call from the PA2 using this microphone, the camera and the speaker. And that is the Fanvil PA2 Kit.